Hello there. I am headed out to a local nursery to find my sky pencil. So come along with me and enjoy the ride. So I am here at Delta Tree Farms, and this is where I do the majority of my plant shopping. And they normally have a really great variety of plants, and their prices are pretty good. So come on in with me. Aha, I see them. Now I believe these are sky pencils, and this is what it will look like when they're grown. So I'm very happy right now. I did purchase the sky pencil. There was only 2 left, and I got a little surprise. So I just happened to mention that I bought 3 last, I think it was April or May, and that one of them just died all of a sudden, and they actually gave me a credit for that one and barely charged me anything for the one I just purchased. So I was really happy, got a little bit of a deal. They said it was okay to plant it right now since it is winter and it gets about 30 degrees here. So I am going to go home and plant it today. Good morning. It is a cool 46 degrees out here, and we are getting some yard work done that we have been neglecting for a while. So I am going to go ahead and plant that sky pencil, and I think I'm going to pull out my sun patience because they're way past due. I just hate to pull out plants, but it's time. Isn't my flower bed beautiful? I told my husband to go ahead and just leave the leaves in the flower bed. That way I can hopefully try to improve my soil. I heard that if you put blood meal on top and maybe some compost, that will help decompose the leaves. Leave a comment if you know of a different way or if that will help. Anyway, the reason why I'm here is because earlier on in my YouTube videos, when I was planting up this flower bed, I planted 3 sky pencils, and I will link that video at the top so that if you want to see it, you can. But anyway, I have one here and I have one here, and you notice that the one in the middle is gone. Well, later on this summer, I noticed that the leaves on the sky pencil were turning brown. So I thought, I'm just going to leave it. Maybe it got sunburned. Well, I noticed it kept getting browner and browner. And a few weeks later, I just went over and I scratched the stem, and the stem was not green. So I ended up pulling it out. Okay, I'm going to attempt to plant that sky pencil. I don't look forward to it because, well, it's been raining here and I don't know what the soil is going to be like. Wish me luck. First, I need to find the old hole. It's away. Oh, right here. It's right here, right where I had it. Some of the leaves are already starting to turn dark, decompose. That's good. Oh, nice and easy. Now this is the type of soil I want all the time. This is nice and fluffy. I think it's because of all the work I did to it this summer. Oh, look it. I kill pretty things. Look, I wanted to show you. Here's a worm. There's another worm. It's a baby worm. All right, so I'm going to put some fir mulch in and around because I want nice soil. And a little starter fertilizer. See if that's straight. Sometimes you just need to back up and take a look. That is not straight. It's not that the stem isn't straight. The stem looks like it's straight. It's the leaves itself, the growing pattern of the leaves or the stems. The plants look a little bigger on each side, but that's all right, it'll grow. Now I've got to clean up my mess. I'm going to keep this handy for the next time. Now it's time to pull out my sun pations. I'll show you what they look like. It's not a very pretty sight. Lovely. Some of them that have a little more shelter under the trees are doing well, but the ones that are exposed, it's time to pull them out. And I have a question for you gardeners out there. These Autumn Joy sedum, I've never planted these before. I know they root really well because I've rooted them, but look how yellow they're turning. Is this because they die back in the winter time? Or is it because of my clay soil that's causing too much moisture? So just about all of them are doing that. Let me know in the comments below. All right, I think that's it for today. My hands are cold. My tennis shoes are wet. My nose is runny. And I need to go shopping for Christmas. So thank you so much for watching and have a great week and stay safe.